Jackson, your Miss Ohio Elementary 4th grade. I'm super excited to create this magical bag for my friends. So, the first thing I have is the bags, where I'm going to be putting all the stuff in. The second thing is we have these amazing Christmas cupcakes. The little trees are don't you just love a candy cane? I'm going to fill these bags with delicious popcorn. Let's get started. First, we're going to get all the popcorn ready. Let's get the bags open. Here's bag number 1. Oh, we got 3 bags. Oh, 4. Okay. Oh, wait. First, we always got to wash our hands. First, scrub for 20 seconds. Next, throw in the water and rinse. And now, maybe we should add a nice candy cane. Oh, and my favorite part, the toys. Maybe the first toy we should add is this nice little fuzzy one. Okay. Good morning, I'm ready to drop off my treats.